Hello, this is our second overview of systems in use for the HortIM project. This time we're looking at Evernote. Evernote.com is the website address where you go to join up with Evernote as well as to download their software. This view is the Evernote software as it looks on a Macintosh computer. There is a web access option at evernote.com and you log in with your account information. There's also an app version for your mobile device. I use the software version the most because it gives me the most flexibility for creating, viewing, and managing all of my notes and notebooks. As project manager, I asked Dave and Sue to join up with Evernote because this is a place where we can share communications, we can share draft content, we can share finished content, we can share work that we want each other to see and be able to edit without passing a lot of email messages back and forth. And so what I'm showing you right now is a note, the HortIM user guide. I'm developing this. I will print this as a PDF, and I'm assembling various parts within Evernote to be the finished user guide. These are the documents that we use in the HortIM project. So this user guide document format, that's going to link to a note that is holding a Word file, and that's all it is. Not too fancy. If I go back to HortIM user guide, then I say the workflow, the next piece. This is a much more detailed, this is text edited right into the Evernote note with checkbox options, but this is what I use to work through and to help Dave and Sue learn the process, to document the process. So this is really our Bible of things to do and steps to take and links to sample files. Go back to user guide. Supporting videos on HortIM YouTube channel. We created these videos, this set of videos here, that correspond to the full detail in the workflow for HortIM. And so each one of these is on a separate document that links to the YouTube video. Tokens and reviews table issued during testing phase. What this is our bookkeeping for the HortIM submissions. And so a new item comes into HortIM. It's given an ID number by the HortIM system. And so what I do in terms of managing new submissions that are then sent out for editor review and approval is to fill in the table. Token relates to Lime survey permission to access the survey by reviewers. And so we have a list of unique items that pertain to the survey that we were using during the testing phase. This is a spreadsheet of all of the generated tokens, and the red ones were the ones that I hadn't used yet. So what I do is I fill in this table and keep track then of our submissions. Who was the invited reviewer? When was that done? And did they accept, and when was it completed? Public link goes to the article linked from the Evernote layout that is secure access for reviewers to look at before it's published out of HortIM. Short title for tracking purposes, eventually was it published? Yes, and the review summary. Back to the user guide here, to be used during production phase, tokens and reviews. So I've started a new table in which I've inserted tokens. We're going to start numbering at 101. There's 2 reviewers for each article submitted to HortIM. So we'll identify those 2 names here, their email, when they were invited. This token will allow them, that's copied and sent to the reviewer, allow them to enter Lime survey. We'll include a short title, publish status, and review summary text. So this will start to be our bookkeeping as we go past in the next phase, which I'm calling the production phase. That's it for Evernote. It's an incredibly useful and valuable service to help us manage things, help us share things, help us see things, and help us collaborate as a team to manage the HortIM project. Thank you.